Did you know there's a ceramic angle marking technique? So simple that even engineers stop to take a closer look? While most people struggle with measuring, drawing lines, and trying to get the angle right by eye, this construction worker came up with a brilliant method to mark multiple angles accurately, using nothing more than a few lines and basic geometry. The result is fast, organized, and incredibly precise. Once you learn this trick, marking and cutting ceramic tiles will never be the same again.